do one thing, very small exercise for this. Whatever words that start with.
Good evening, ma'am.
Hi, Sudhir. A very good evening to you. How are you?
I am fine, madam. And how about you?
I am also doing great. Thanks a lot for asking. So, tell me a little about yourself.
Okay, my name is Sudhir Patel. I am from Jalgaon, Maharashtra. And
Okay.
I'm, by profession, I'm a computer teacher. I teach computer standard 4 to 8 standard. And nowadays, I'm joining Clapingo for improving my English communication. It's all about me.
And what about your hobbies? What do you like to do in your free time?
I like to read books and sometimes I like to watch movies.
Okay, that's great, huh? So, what type of books do you like to read?
I recently I'm reading Mahabharat Epic. It is a book
Uh,
for children. So I'm reading that book. And recently I read Rich Dad Poor Dad and Ignited Mind. Read
Self-help
one
books
chapter only.
or related to financial literacy?
Yes, yes, yeah.
Okay, got it. Nice. And you mentioned about watching movies, so you really like to watch movies, right? Not really, but
Uh,
maybe
yes, if I think that
take
I'm
time.
going to board, that time I watch movie.
If I think what?
If I think I'm boring now, that time I start movie.
Okay. If I think I'm bored, don't use boring,
Yeah,
bored. Yeah.
bored.
Okay, fine. So, what type of movies do you like to watch? Do you stick to Marathi cinema or you watch Bollywood or Tollywood?
Marathi, Bollywood. I like a comedy movie. If it is a Marathi or it is Hindi, I don't have any problem. I like comedy. I watch
Okay,
that.
got it. So, did you watch? Do you like to watch movies in theaters also, or do you watch it at home?
I watch it at home because nowadays I don't have time to go at cinema hall.
Yeah,
If there is any good movie with family, then in that case I go with my family.
fair enough. So, which was the last movie that you watched with your family in theater?
I think it was now I'm not
Able to
recently
recall?
record it. I forgot.
Okay, no issues, no issues. But any movie that you saw recently on television? I
Recently,
can't. Yeah, yeah.
lots of movie I saw on television. Recently, I watched De Danadan. I watched De Danadan.
Date another. Okay, okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. Hmm, great. So now, since our topic is a very fictional one today, if you could create a movie, so that's our topic.
Oh.
Yeah. So it will require a lot of imagination on your part. Would you
Yes.
like to create a movie?
Yeah. Yes. I would like to create a movie on real situation, what I am seeing in the world now currently. So I would like to make a movie on that situation.
Uh-huh. So the
Yes,
topic
and
would be realistic.
try to convey the message how to stop those things which are happening currently uh, in our India and mostly uh, means with a women related to women. So
Uh-huh.
I will pick that topic.
Okay. So any movie on women empowerment or the issues that women are facing.
Yeah.
Interesting. Okay. So now let's imagine that you are the director and you
Hmm.
are making a film on this
Okay.
topic only. So do you
Hmm.
want to make a movie on women empowerment or the issues or any issue that woman is facing?
I will focus on firstly woman empowerment.
Empowerment. Okay. So let's go step by step. So now
Okay.
let's imagine that you have a story. Which
Hmm.
actress would you cast for it?
For woman empowerment, I will cast Deepika.
Hmm, great choice. Okay. Why? Why Deepika?
Uh, I think she is a versatile actor, and I think she will be perfect for human empowerment. And another choice is Rani Mukherjee. She is also better in that role, and
And for
most
that case,
actors.
I
But
think Vidya Balan also.
yeah, Vidya Balan also. Yes.
Okay. So how much budget would you allocate for your film?
Budget.
Yeah.
Budget. If rough idea, I will say maybe 20 lakhs.
Oh, so you will make a movie in just 20 lakhs.
Yes, because I am showing currently situation empowerment of humans, so my budget is very low.
Okay, okay, okay. Fine. Okay. So how would you raise funds for it? Because 20 lakh also is a big amount. So how are you
Yes.
going to raise the funds?
First of all, I will create all the proposal what I want to do and what I will do and how it will go. I will uh, face it means I will narrate it to banks and anyone financer who will finance my movie, and I will explain all those topics to them how it will go right way if we if you do the finance for me, and I will try to convey them. I will not based on one person. I will narrate it about banks also and single person also.
Okay, got it. And if I talk about the location, which location would you prefer
For the
for the movie?
for the movie.
Yes.
I will choose mostly a village type of area where I will saw the how general means real citizens are facing problems,
Mm,
and how we need to improve their lives. So I will choose a urban area,
rural
yeah,
area.
rural area, not urban, rural area.
Mhm, got it. So are you going to change between locations also, or the entire movie will be in a rural area?
Entire movie I will shoot in a rural area,
Okay,
not one location, but different. But all those will be a rural area.
okay, got it. So have you ever been to any real life shoot? Have you ever seen it happening in front of your eyes?
Real life show, no,
No, not shows,
no,
shooting that
no,
happens.
no, no, ma'am.
Okay, okay, fine, got it. So, Now, since you are talking about women empowerment, we have a location also, we have funds, we have an actress. Let's assume that we have everything. So if I talk about the plot or the storyline of your movie, so what will be the main message of your movie?
Main message.
Yes, because you are saying that it is based on real situation, so you need to give a moral message also, or I would say any social message you need to give at the end. So what will be that?
If I say no one will help you until you motivate yourself. So in light power within you, so uh, like that, it will be a main uh, message from my movie.
Hmm, interesting, quite interesting, I must say. So in that case, I think you will show the actress suffer a lot in the movie, and she is not able to
Yes,
do anything for herself.
yes.
Hmm.
She never depends another person. She do all things uh, by herself, and she acquire knowledge, acquire all those things, whatever she wants in her life. So
Okay.
it is, it will be a good message.
Hmm. I agree. It's a very powerful message. And now, since your message is that you should not depend on another person, you need to help yourself. So, will there be any supporting actress also in your movie?
Supporting actor.
Supporting actor or actress?
Yes. If I will choose Ajay Devgan.
Oh, okay. So, Deepika with Ajay Devgan. Do you think this is a good pair?
Yes. Good. It is not a good pair, I think, because
No.
they never came together
Yes,
before that.
yes. And there is a big
But I think,
generation gap also, I think.
yeah, but there lots of actors they have a generation gap, even though they do the work with Ajay Devgan.
Yes,
So
yes, yes.
yeah, I am take the Ajay Devgan because of not a actor, means not a hero, but
Mhm.
he will play the another role, but he will the main actor in that movie, side actor, sorry, as an actress. He will play a role of the maybe a social worker, maybe a friend of the actress, like
Mhm.
that, nothing
So
more.
will he agree for that? Because he's a big actor. So will he agree for that small role? That is also a question.
Not a small role. He will get the full role in that movie, and if role is good, then definitely he will agree.
Hmm. Okay.
And I'm a very big fan of Ajay Devgan. When
Oh.
his movie was a foreign, that time I called him and I talked with him.
Hmm. So you will try to impress him there and then only.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Fine. Great. Okay, cool. It was great. I think, Sudhir, you came up with interesting points, and that was a very spontaneous topic for you. But since you imagined and you came up with a lot of things, so wonderful, great. So let's talk a
Thank you.
little about your feedback before we get disconnected.
Okay, ma'am. Before starting the feedback, please introduce me. Introduce yourself.
Okay, sure. So my name is Diksha, and I'm from New Delhi.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
So I
And
have done
you are
my
okay. Okay, please.
I've done my UG and PG in English literature, and
Okay.
recently I have completed my B.Ed. So I'm preparing for Delhi government exams and KV exams.
Best of luck for your future.
Thanks a lot. So if I talk about your pronunciation, you need to improve over there, especially your V sound. So like when you pronounce the word women, so that V. should come out clearly. Women, were.
Women.
Yes. Absolutely
Yeah.
right. So do one thing, very small exercise for this. Whatever words that start with W and V, try to write at least 10 words each, and on a daily basis pronounce it repeatedly
Okay.
for maybe
Okay.
2 to 3 minutes, so that you can acquire that pronunciation.
Yeah.
Okay. Then when you say pronounce the word rural, so you are maybe saying it like rural. The
Yeah.
R is not coming out clearly.
Yeah.
Yes, so you need to pronounce, after the session, try to pronounce rural 10 times so
Yes.
that you
Yes,
can
ma'am.
see the difference.
Thank you.
Yeah. Then when you were talking about the main actress, so you said that she never depends another person. So here
She
you
will
can say,
never.
yeah, so that she has to never depend on anyone in her life.
Mm-hmm.
Then she will be better in that role. So not in that role, for that role.
Okay.
I am while you were talking about the that I will try to tell the story for fundraising. So you said I will try to convey them, not convey, convince. I will try to convince the people.
Convince.
Yes.
Okay.
I am take the Ajay Devgan. So here two things are wrong. First of all, you cannot use I am and take together. If you are using am, then it will be plus ing. I am taking.
Okay.
Yes. So here taking will not work. So you can remove the am. I will. I will cast. You can use the word
Ka-
cast because take is not the word. We are talking about movies, so cast is the right word. I will cast Ajay Devgan. So we cannot use the before Ajay Devgan because your name is Sudhir, my name is Diksha. So we don't use the before our names, right?
Yeah.
So it is a proper noun. So we cannot use the. So these were the few areas, a few mistakes I would say. And when it comes to your vocabulary, so try to keep on reading. It will really help you. And listen to few interviews also in English, because
Okay, ma'am.
then you can catch some phrases and vocabulary that the other person is saying, and then you can use that in your speech.
Okay, ma'am.
So try to listen at least one interview every day.
Okay.
Yeah. So take care and have a great day ahead, Sudhir. It was lovely
Okay, ma'am.
interacting with you. Bye bye.
Thank you. Good day. Thank you. Bye, ma'am.
Thank you.